Thutha wa wonjoria wa bururi kuonekana werekeire irima-ini ria nduma nene ya guthinekana kurumirira itua riria ririga gukinyanirio ni igoti itogeru ria guteaniria maumirira ma giturwa kia president riu Muthamaki wa bururi ni aunaniire njung'wa na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini ruru thingira-ini wa iregi itemi-ini ria gutigirira ruhonge ruru no rwathie na mbere na kwihanda.
No individual, be they from my side of the party or the other side of the party or the other sides, will be allowed to destabilize our peace and stability. Let them exercise their democratic right through the ballot, no problem. Let them make the noises that they want to make, no problem. But nobody will be allowed to interfere with the peace and stability of this nation.
President ugite ona gutuika bururi ni ukoretwo uritwo ni makiria ma ciringi bilioni 130 kumana na kumomoka gwa thogora ya shares thoko-ini ya NSC. Thirikari yake ni yambikite mitaratara iria gutigirira ruhonge ruru no rwathie na mbere na kwihanda.
Go about your business, make your plans, project your future. This country will be here long after us noisemakers are gone. And that's what you need to get into your mind and begin to give assurance to your workers, begin to give assurance to your investors, begin to give assurance to foreign investors. Nothing in Kenya has changed.
Mwena-ini wake mwikariri giti wa kiungano kia onjoria kiumbe Karo Kariuki augite ruhonge ruru ni rukoretwo ruri muhari-ini wa mbere muno makiria hari kuhinyiriria ndurire kuhunjia thayu cinyitanire na honge ingi itari cia thirikari ta Kenya daima.
This week alone, ECOWAS, which is the economic bloc of West Africa, has asked us to go and share our experiences and how private sector becomes part of stability during elections. We've also been asked by countries in South America and even US institutions that are looking at this as a positive way of the private sector can play around elections. So that's really what we've been doing.
Rera ria kiuteti rikoretwo ritegukabana wega na wonjoria wa bururi na kuria undu uyu ukoretwo thingithitie ciringi ya Kenya na gutuma yagariirie kiringithanio na dola ya bururi wa Amerika.